Hi friends! Today I'm counting down the cutest ways kids react to Christmas gifts. I'll show happy moments using photos and videos from Pexels. Free and cozy for the holidays. Ready? 10. The shy smile. I lift the lid, peek, and giggle. A tiny wow pops out. 9. The big eyes. I hold my breath, open slow, and sparkle, eyes like twinkly lights. 8. The careful helper. I fold the paper little by little, like a present puzzle, so neat. 7. The happy wiggle. Feet dance, shoulders bounce, gift hugs incoming. 6. The surprise squeak. I didn't mean to squeak, but I did. 5. The thank you hug. I wrap my arms around a grown-up. Thank you. 4. The show and tell. I spin around. Look what I got. Everyone claps. 3. The helper elf. I pass gifts, read names, and cheer for friends. Sharing is bright. 2. The cozy cuddle. Blanket, cocoa pretend, new toy snuggles, soft and warm. 1. The magic moment. I open, pause, and feel sparkles in my tummy. Not just the gift. Love, time, smiles. Let's practice kindness too. I say please, thank you, take turns. If I don't get the first pick, that's okay. My turn will come. Here's a gifting game. I guess what's inside. Light, heavy, soft, bumpy. Then I share one nice word about someone. You're thoughtful. Grown-ups, all pictures and clips can come from Pexels. Easy to find, family-friendly, and free. And for sound, choose gentle, royalty-free tunes. No copyrighted music. Deep breath, big smile. Whether it's a tiny toy or a handmade card, I can celebrate every surprise. Ready to unwrap joy? Merry Christmas, friends! Bye-bye.